So let's go for a drive with this brand new Volkswagen Touareg. So let's make a reverse. So here on the screen we can see we have the backup camera. We also have a lot of options here. We can, if you have a trailer, you can also see in which direction it goes. You have a wider view of the back, 180 degrees view if you have some difficulties to go in reverse, so you can really see in a wide point of view what's coming next back to you. And you have the button for the park assist if you want to use it. So let's go for a little ride. So we are driving in some really nice little roads, and as you know, the Touareg is also a 4Motion vehicle. It's really comfortable when you drive it. You feel the power of the car. The ride is really nice. What's amazing is the automatic transmission, the 8 speeds, make it a lot easier to drive. And when you close the panoramic roof, you almost hear nothing. It's a pretty silent car when you drive it. You don't hear a lot of things. You just hear the engine and exhaust notes coming up, but really just a little, just to hear it and not making the car too noisy. So as I said, it is a 3-liter V6 TDI engine. It has 286 horsepower. It drives really great on these roads. And just to make your drive easier, you have plenty of options while driving. We have seen it. We have the head-up display. We have the night vision. We have the front assist, which just controls your distance with the other car, so you don't go too fast behind the car and take the risk to hit it. We have also the side assist, so if you come across the white lines, it just brings you back on track. So if you just get distracted, you won't be taking high risks. So all these little options make this car really great to drive. Even on small roads, on off-roads or on highways, it is really a big comfort. If you want to have a bit more fun, you can also touch the gearbox in manual mode. You have here your gear shifter. You can use it upshift or downshift, or you can use the paddle shifts here back at the wheel. It is really nice. So just to show you how powerful it is, I'm gonna give a little acceleration here. So you feel that it's powerful. The automatic transmission is really nice when you want to have quick acceleration. It reacts really good. So it just feels awesome in every kind of driving styles you have. So you don't have to worry about will I make it or not. It will. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you did enjoy this new Touareg. If you have the opportunity to drive it, just do it. It is an amazing car. So stay tuned, keep following us, keep subscribing. We're gonna make great things for you, so keep following us. So you feel that it's powerful. The automatic transmission is really nice when you want to have